Alright, let's go. We're recording, guys. Dito kami sa BGC, kasama ko si Ian. I-gate muna namin yung location na to. Mamaya sa end of the video, i-mention namin kung saan to. For sure naman, alam niyo naman kung saan to kapag lilibot kami dito sa area na to.
Plano na rin kasi namin i-vlog yung mga shoot para makita nyo rin yung mga behind the scenes and how we shoot our trio collabs.
Para magkaroon din kayo ng confidence and idea para i-start tong content creation and photo shoots, diba? Yeah, may kasama pa tayo. Yung isa namin, ito, naglalakad. Hey! Si Isa Praki, guys, nandito na.
How's it going, bro? Good, guys.
Say hi to the vlog, bro.
Kamusta? Yeah.
We finally linked up again after 1 week. First location namin dito, guys, dito sa Red Wall. Since bagay sa vibes ng suot namin. Si Praise, yan. He's wearing Charlotte Folk. I'm wearing DWN. So basically, local brand yung mga suot namin. And Ian, are you wearing a local brand?
Huh?
Local brand or Uniqlo?
Sorry.
Kami local brand ni Praise eh. Shout out DWN and Charlotte Folk. Yes, sir.
But we're gonna make a local brand series in the future. Na collab lahat ng suot namin local.
Halos every week nag-photoshoot kami. So, abangan niyo yung mga fit checks namin on IG, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Alright, first location, start na namin dito. Solo pics. Tapos mamaya yung group pictures. First location dun sa may pintuan, guys. Init! Ganon talaga, guys. Tastein mo yung init. I'm gonna take a pic kay Ian. BTS. Hey!
The mic is here.
Ganda ng background. Alright, we're doing framing right now. Yan o, ang ganda.
Yan.
Yeah. Okay lang yan, may mga dumadaan, guys. That's part of the work. Okay. Okay.
Kita ba?
Kita. Ang dami nan, guys. Tapos pipili lang namin 6, 7. Sige, sasabihin ko na. Sa BGC lang to, guys. Sa BGC. Malapit sa Burgos Circle. Tapos, ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa second location. Actually, maghanap pa kami ng second location na babagay sa vibe ng suot namin. So, yun nga, isa sa struggles ng pag-fit check or content creation when it comes to fashion is the location, guys. Is the location. Hey, Praise, you wanna take over the vlog?
Yeah, for sure.
Shit. First time vlogging?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah, we're moving to the next spot. What are we looking for the next spot? So, this is literally how the shoot goes. We just be looking for random spots. We don't necessarily like have a spot when we're walking. Tignan mo, kuya nyo. Boom, boom, boom. Galing, no?
Yun. Okay na.
Sabi ko na nga.
Nice one. Thanks. Uwi na.
Tingin.
Pretty good.
Oh,
Uwi na. Ayan.
di ba? Boom, boom, boom.
Ian only.
Balagbag talaga. Balagbag.
Funny, like 2 minutes ago.
This is the one you're looking for, right?
For the...
For the vibe? Your vibe?
Yeah. This one is good, actually. So let's do it. I think we need tripod for my shot. I'm gonna edit.
Oh shit, how do you edit that?
Gemini probably.
Yan yung gagawin niya, guys.
So I think you're gonna be in this angle.
Photo 101.
I think I'm gonna remove my jacket for this one. And then you give me 10 likes. Tangina nyo.
You know.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna edit. Thanks, bro.
Alright, we gotta do pedestrian walking picture.
We're gonna try a walking shot. Let's do it.
Alright. So sorry guys, last upload ko February pa. Pasensya na guys kung hindi consistent yung pag-upload ko sa YouTube. But now, really, kahit sabihin natin twice a month or maybe thrice a month mag-vlog na ako para sa inyo since na-motivate talaga ako kasama yung mga kaibigan ko dito. So yeah, I promised myself to make more vlogs here on YouTube. Basta mag-subscribe kayo dito sa channel ko and also like my video. Umaambon. Dito muna kami sa may Bicos Coffee. Ay, Harlan and Holden pala. Kasi meron silang bubong dito eh. Ayan. So, let's try to improvise. Yan na nga, nagsimula na.
Gandang meme yun, no? Sobrang araw kanina, biglang umulan.
Labo eh, no? Biglang umuulan. Bruh. Guys, tumigil na yung ulan! Yan, tuloy na namin yung shoot namin. Alright, here's our spot right here kasi naka-dark outfit ako, naka-dark outfit si Praise, and meron din mga dark tones si Ian sa suot namin. So, perfect yung wall na to sa may tabi ng Harlan and Holden. Finally, after I think almost 2 hours, tapos na yung shoot namin. In just 2 hours, guys, approximately around 300 shots or 400 shots yung nagawa namin. Separate pa dun yung ginagawa namin vlog and content video. So, kapag naka-trio kayo or duo, talagang marami kayong makukuha ng shots. After this shoot, guys, diretso ako sa cafe para mag-edit ng content. Etong vlog na to. And after that, diretso naman ako sa gym because every day I go to the gym to maintain my body and may sinasalihan kasi yung liga. Yun pala, i-video ko rin pala or i-vlog ko rin yung mga liga ko this time, alright? I promise you that. Ano masasabi nyo guys?
Yeah, productive day. Hope y'all enjoyed our vlog. Make sure to like, follow, whatever, and stay tuned for the next one. The shoot was efficient, obviously, because team chemistry. Yeah, that's what I call it. Like, we always shoot together, so it's easier to get like specific shots that we want. So yeah, it was fun. Next.
The shoot was really fun. There was a bit of rain, pero nagawa naman ng paraan. Kaya okay lang, di ba? And we got like probably 300 shots.
Yeah,
Upwards,
plus,
di ba? 300 plus. So okay din.
Tingnan mo guys, sumaaraw na naman. Kanina umulan eh. Anyways, until the next shoot. And see you guys again later. Kasi pupunta nga tayo sa gym. Bye guys. Oh, andyan na yung grab mo pre.
Ano na?
Andyan na yung grab mo.
Doon na.
Okay pre ah.
See you, bro. See you, vlog. See you, bro. Next time ulit.
Next time ulit.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, kakarating ko lang sa SM Mega Mall kasi susunduin ko yung kapatid ko mamayang gabi sa school niya. So unahin ko muna yung pagsundo niya, tapos pag uwi ng bahay, tatry ko talaga magbuhat na. Kasi ayoko talaga mag-miss ng program ko sa sa workout eh. So yun nga, pag uwi mamaya, diretso ako gym, tapos tulog. Tatambay muna ako dito sa SM Mega Mall kasi i-edit ko muna yung mga ginawa naming shoot kanina sa BGC para ma-advance natin yung editing, di ba? Tapos gawa rin ako ng mga ibang storyboard para sa mga ibang brand projects para ma-maximize natin yung oras natin dito sa mall. Tambay muna. Alright guys, tapos na yung workout natin. May halos siyang uppers and leg day preparation to para bukas kasi may game kami. Ligang labas. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog.
Peace.